Hi, this is Laura from the VB team, and today I'm going to walk you through what's included with an institutional site subscription to Visible Body Suite. This subscription is perfect for libraries who want to provide everyone at their institution with access to our award-winning reference products. Students can access the web apps from any computer with internet access by going to websuite.visiblebody.com. From here, they can access all the anatomy, physiology, biology, and pathology content that VB Suite has to offer by opening one of the apps. If they need help using a particular app, students can also find links to our support site on the My Apps page. Let's start by opening up the VB Suite reference app. This app is an interactive 3D atlas of the human body, complete with gross anatomy and microanatomy views, animations, and study tools. Use the menu at the top of the screen to navigate between these different types of resources. Within a 3D gross or microanatomy view, like this one of the heart, students can select structures to learn more about them in the info box. They can also use the Dissect tool to remove structures from the view. From the related content box, they can open associated views, muscle actions, animations, histology slides, and more, connecting anatomy and physiology concepts or gross and microanatomy with just a click. With the tags, 3D draw, and notepad features, students can make each view their own, highlighting key information or illustrating important processes and concepts. Any view, annotations included, can be saved for later reference. Students can use the Media tab to explore Visible Body's collection of physiology and pathology animations, learning about the processes that help the body function and what happens when those processes break down. To use VB Suite as a study tool, students can go to the Study tab and take a practice quiz. They can also access Visible Body's library of pre-made interactive flashcard decks and 3D structure and system tours. If students want to create their own study materials, they can create a flashcard using any view. From the Study tab, flashcards can be combined into a custom shareable deck. Students can also save their favorite views and string them together to make a shareable presentation. Did you know that Visible Body's anatomy content is available in 7 languages? Switching between languages is as easy as opening the settings menu on any view and choosing one. From the settings menu, students can also change the app's background color and text size, toggle the reference body, and enable the on-screen joystick for maneuvering models. If we go back to the My Apps page in VB Suite, you'll notice that students can access the reference app on their mobile device. To do so, they'll need to click the Get Mobile App button. From there, they'll get an email with a link to download VB Suite from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on their phone or tablet. Once they've downloaded the mobile app, they will need to open it and log in with their VB Suite credentials. Now let's take a look at what kinds of content students can access in Visible Biology. Interacting with the 3D models in Visible Biology is simple. Highlighting structures brings up more information, and it's easy to add tags, drawings, and other annotations, and save custom views. In addition to 3D models, Visible Biology also features interactive animated simulations of DNA coiling and supercoiling, mitosis, meiosis, photosynthesis, and cellular respiration. Students can use the slider to play, pause, and manipulate the speed of the animation. This icon in the info box provides general information, but students can also select structures on the model to learn more about their roles in key processes. The Study tab gives students all the tools they need to study biology. They can download pre-made flashcard decks, or create their own shareable flashcard decks, take practice quizzes, and complete free lab activities. Anatomy and Physiology is an interactive A&P textbook that provides bite-sized lessons for learning about and studying each body system. Opening the app will take students to the list of units and lessons. Everything is organized by system. Clicking on an individual lesson will open a 3D model, illustration, histology slide, or animation, with brief, easy-to-understand explanatory text beside it. Students can test their knowledge or prepare for tests and quizzes by completing multiple-choice practice quizzes. They can also track their progress with a learning objectives checklist for each unit. Muscle Premium is Visible Body's guide to the muscles of the body. Students can search for a particular muscle, Choose a muscle or muscle action from the alphabetized list and view muscles by region. Within a muscle view, the buttons in the info box will highlight origin and insertion points, blood vessels, and nerves. Students can use the 3D muscle pathology models in Muscle Premium to compare normal anatomy with pathology. They can study sports injuries like sprained ankles or ACL tears, degenerative conditions like osteoarthritis, and common spinal conditions such as herniated discs. Want to give students and instructors at your institution access to all this amazing content? To learn more about Visible Body Suite, visit visiblebody.com/VBSuite.